Here is how you can change or unload the filament in Bambu Lab P2S, and especially useful when you are new to 3D printing. So you need to tap here on this second option and need to click on this spool. Now we need to click on unload. And when we unload, you're going to see these 3-step process. The first step is heating the nozzle, then cut the filament, then pull back the current filament. And you do not need to do anything. And initially it feel that you require to do something, but that's not the case actually. You just need to wait for the step 1 to get completed, and probably the way you can see the progress by seeing the nozzle temperature. So the nozzle temperature will increase. That will help in clearing the nozzle as well as in cutting the filament. And now here you can see both the process are completed. Now I can simply pull the filament to the roll, and I can also see it here going back, and that's how we can unload the filament.